Hi, Azaria. How are you? I can't seem to hear you, so if you are speaking, just let me know. Hi, guys. Can you guys hear me clearly? Are you guys able to hear me? What?
I can hear you.
You can hear me, okay. Azaria, can you hear me? Okay, if Azaria's on, I don't know. Okay, if you guys can hear me, that's great. We're gonna be doing algebra again today,
Okay.
but we're just gonna do like harder questions. Like, you know how we were doing two-step questions?
Yeah.
We're gonna do two-step questions again.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna move on to three-step questions and then like four-step. We're just gonna keep going until it gets harder and harder.
Yeah. Okay.
First, we're gonna do some review, like just do some like quick questions like we did yesterday. So like we make sure that we remember it really well.
Yeah.
And then we'll move on to harder questions. Okay. So let's do our first question.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so that's our first question.
Yeah.
Remember, it goes backwards,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Bed math, but backwards. So first step, is there subtraction or addition? Is there subtraction or addition?
Yeah. There's addition.
Addition. What's the opposite of addition?
The answer is subtraction.
Subtraction. So 20 minus negative 10 would be?
5.
10.
The answer.
Yeah, and then do you see how that's good job, Arush? The answer is 5. And then do you see how and then what do we have left? We have 2 multiplying, right?
Yeah.
It's multiplication and division. So we're gonna do the opposite. What's the opposite of multiplication?
Division.
Division. So you're gonna divide this side by 2 and you get n is equal to 5.
Okay.
Okay? Let's say if I gave you how would you do this question? So
this is division and
yes.
subtraction.
And subtraction. So do we do the division part first or the subtraction part first?
Wait, isn't the answer 20?
Yes.
Yeah.
So first step is we see that we have subtraction.
Yeah.
And so we're going to do the opposite. This is subtracting, so we're going to add 4 on this side.
Okay.
And over 5. This is dividing, so we're going to do the opposite, which is multiply that number. And then n is equal to 20. Good job. Let's say if I have this. I want you guys to try this question.
Okay. $16.
Let's see. So we have 2 adding. So we're going to do the opposite, which is 4 is equal to. Yep, v is equal to 16. Azaria, did you get that?
Yep.
Okay, good job. Okay, let's see what else. Let's do this question now. This one's a little bit challenging. So you have okay, so now we have brackets, right?
Yeah.
But do
Yeah.
you see how BEDMAS flipped brackets would be at the end?
Yeah.
So so outside of the brackets, do we have addition or subtraction?
Yes, we have division.
We have division, right? But
Yeah.
is there anything adding or subtracting outside the over here
No.
or over here? No,
No.
right? It's inside the brackets, but can we touch that yet?
No.
No. So we're gonna do what's outside of the brackets. Do we have addition or do we have multiplication or division?
Multiplication or division?
Yeah.
No. We have division.
We have division.
I need to quickly go to the washroom. Can I come back?
Yeah, for sure. Go to the bathroom. We'll wait for you. Don't worry.
I'm back.
Okay. Okay, so do you see how we have division?
Yes.
What's the opposite of division?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So we're going to multiply this by 3.
Yeah.
8 times 3 is
8 times 3 equals 32. I mean 24.
24. Okay, so we don't have addition or subtraction outside of the brackets. We don't have multiplication or division outside of the brackets. We have no exponents. And now we can look inside the brackets. And when you go
Yeah.
inside the brackets, you go back to the beginning.
Okay.
So when you have,
Addition.
we have addition. What's the opposite of addition? Guys, what's the opposite of addition?
Subtraction.
So we're going to subtract 9 from this side.
So
And you get
15.
is equal to 15. And then that's our final answer, and we box it.
Okay.
Okay? So that's how you would do it with brackets. So let's say if I gave you this. 2n. So not 2n. Writing out this out again. So we have brackets, so that means we're going to touch whatever's in the brackets last. Do we have addition or subtraction outside of the brackets? No, right? Because there's nothing adding or subtracting on the outside.
Yeah.
Do we have multiplication or division?
No.
We have the 2, right? Is the 2 multiplying or dividing?
It doesn't say.
Oh, here you go. There.
Okay, there. Yeah, multiply.
It's multiplying.
So we divide.
We divide. So we divide this by 2.
That equals 1.
That equals 1. Now can we go inside the brackets since there's nothing else on the outside?
-4.
Yes. Subtract 4.
-2.
Subtract 5. And equals n is equal to -4. We can't really simplify it, and that's our answer, and we square it.
Yeah.
Does that make sense how to do it with brackets?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I gave you this question, So if I give you 144 Okay, so that's my first question. Don't you guys try that? I'll give you guys one more.
What does the 12 stand for?
Oh, it's multiplying, sorry. There you go. If I make a tiny x, that means it's multiplying. There.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. Those are your guys' 2 questions. Azara and Arusha, let me know when you do them.
Okay.
Azara, how is online school going for you?
It's okay. I mean, like, it's pretty hard. I have a test on algebra in 2 weeks, and she said it's open book, so
Okay.
yeah. She
We're
said
gonna
all the
go-
tests are open book.
Okay. Don't worry. All these problems we're going to go through today is algebra. So right now we're doing 2-step. We'll go into 3-step questions and then into
Okay.
multiple step. Don't worry.
Is the first one answer 7?
Let's see. Yes, it is. Good job.
But I have another question. Why is it on the brackets 5 plus x?
It doesn't matter. It can be either way.
And like for the division one,
Yeah.
where is like what's the top number?
What do you mean?
Like for the division, there's only one number.
Oh, this is all on top of it.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, there you go. So, yeah.
One.
This one's, let's see. 1 times 6. Yes, that's correct. Azaria, did you get those numbers? Azaria?
Oh, yeah, I did.
You did? Okay, good job.
Yeah.
Do you want me to go over the questions or?
Yeah, can you go over them again?
Yeah, for sure. Okay. So for the first question, so outside of the brackets, we have 12 multiplying with whatever's inside the bracket. So we have to do that first. We do the opposite, which is dividing. And that gives us 12 is equal to x plus 5. Is there anything else around the bracket, Cesaria?
The 12 x, right? Wait, no, we already did that, so
Second step,
No.
is there anything like over here, down here?
no.
On this side of the equal sign, there's nothing, right? So now we can go inside the brackets. Is anything adding or subtracting?
There's adding.
So what's the opposite of adding?
Subtracting.
So we're going to subtract 5 from 12. And that gives us 7 is equal to x. Is anything dividing or multiplying with x?
No.
Is x by itself?
Yep.
That's how we know we've solved the question. And then that's our answer.
Okay.
Okay, and let's go to question B. Okay. Is there anything outside of the brackets?
Outside, it's just the 1 and the 6 at the bottom.
Right? Oh no, whenever I ask you, it's on the side that the brackets are on. So the brackets on this side of the question, we're not going to look at this side. We're only going to look on this side of the
Okay.
equal sign. So, is
Okay.
there anything outside of the brackets?
No.
The brackets are here. What about this?
Just the 6.
Just the 6, right? Is it multiplying or dividing or adding or subtracting? What is it doing?
You're dividing, so then we need to multiply.
Yes. So that's 6 is equal to 5 plus x. Is there anything else on the outside of the brackets?
Nope.
No. So now we can go on the inside of the brackets. What's happening inside the brackets?
You're adding, so we need to subtract the 5 from the 6.
And what does that give us?
That'll give you a 1.
1 is equal to x. Is x by itself?
Yep.
Then that's our final answer. Okay. Let's do another question. Here. I'm going to give you guys 2 more questions.
Okay. Yep. I got the answer to the first one.
Okay, just 1 second. Okay, what's your answer to the first one?
11.
Yep, that's correct. Good job. And then I want you guys to solve the first one. And then I'll go over both of them. Azaria, quick question. Do you know Gershon Gozel or Gosla?
Like Gershon Gozel?
Yeah,
I think so.
because you follow him.
Yeah.
Do you know him?
I've heard him. I've heard of his name through friends and stuff like that.
Okay.
Yeah, why?
He requested me and liked all my pictures and commented, and I was like, nope.
Oh. Wait, no, he I added him back. He added me before, and that's when I added him back, and now he just accepted it today.
He liked all my pictures and commented on one of them, and I deleted his comment. I'm like, you're weird. What the hell?
Wait, what did he say? What did he say?
He put the 3 fingers up comment. And I was like, okay. Okay. Are you guys done the second question? Almost? Okay.
The
Zaria,
second one's hard.
17.
The second one's hard for me.
17.
did you get 17 for the second one, Azaria?
Yep.
I haven't tried the second one yet.
Okay. Ayush, did you get 17?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try it. Azaria, do you want to try it or do you want me to do it?
Can you do it, please?
Yes, no worries. So you have 243 is equal to 9 times 10 plus x in brackets. So can we touch what's in the brackets right now or no?
No.
No. It's because there's something on the outside.
Yeah.
What's happening on the outside?
Multiplication, but we do division, and 9 divided by 243 equals 27. And then we minus 10, and that equals 17.
Good job. So, sorry, do you see how it equals 27 because we're going to divide the two?
Yeah.
and you have 10 plus x. So now the 10 is adding, right, with the x?
Yep.
We're going to do the opposite. What's the opposite of addition?
Yeah, subtract.
So what is x going to be equal to?
17.
17. Is x by itself?
Yep.
And then that's our answer. Does that make sense how to do that one?
Yeah. Wait, so like the Gershon kid, yeah, he requested me, so then I requested him back. And then like he was like, I saw him, like I have the, and then I saw him like going through like my profile and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, seems weird.
Yeah, I know. He followed Evelyn too.
What is the 7
Wait,
multiplication?
what grade is he in though?
I don't know. Yes, it's multiplying. Azaria, do the question.
Okay.
We can talk about this later too. Do the question.
Wait, the 7's multiplying, right?
Yes, the 7 is multiplying.
Okay.
Is that 84 or 89?
That's 84.
Okay.
I got the answer.
Was that Azaria or who was speaking?
It's me.
Okay. What did you get?
I have the
Actually,
answer too.
Okay, let's
I
do
got
the question. What did you get?
3.
What about you?
Me?
Yes.
I got negative 2.
-2. Okay, let's do the question. So 7's multiplying. What's the opposite of that?
Divide.
-84 divided by 7 is 12.
Mhm.
Oh, it's
And then
okay. I got it wrong.
it's okay. Subtract 9 because it's adding. So you're going to do the opposite.
Yeah, the answer's 3.
The answer is 3. And is k by itself?
Yeah.
3 is your answer. Okay. So we get how to do it with brackets, right? Pretty straightforward. Now let's do it with 3 steps. Okay. 1 step. Let me find questions for you guys. Actually, oh yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do these, and then I will give them to you. Okay, hold up. These are a little bit more challenging than I want them to be. I just want to see if I want you guys to do these, because these are like extra challenging. Okay, how about I give you guys some questions to do first?
Okay.
Just like a final like review. I'll give you like 4 or 5 questions.
Is the 4 multiplication?
Yes. 1 second, let me change them to proper 4s.
-2 is A.
Okay. I don't have the answers yet, so let me write these out. Okay, those are the 3 questions. I'm gonna give you guys. Let me know when you guys are
The
done.
first one is -2.
-2. Okay.
The second one is just 2.
Mm-hmm.
And the third one is 12.
Good job. You know the trick. I'm actually very surprised you got the last one. What did you get for B, Irish?
For B, just 2.
Yeah. Yep, that's correct. And for this one, the trick is, do you see how this is a subtraction sign? Even though it's adding,
Yeah.
this is a subtraction, so you would add 3,
Yeah.
x would be equal to 12.
Yeah.
Good job. Azaria, are you done the questions?
No, not yet.
Okay, just let me know when you're done. And then
Okay.
we'll move.
Your screen went away.
My screen went away? Is it still there?
I could still see it.
Okay.
No.
It's gone.
It's gone now? Okay, 1 minute. Let me share screen. There, can you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nope. Mine
can't-
says it's still connecting.
Okay, what? That's really weird. How about you try, I feel like it might just be on your half. Do you want to maybe try leaving and coming back?
Yeah.
Okay, try doing that. Sorry.
Okay, now this is join a meeting. Oh, that's why, because it wants me to be. It's weird.
Are you done, Azaria?
It says open Zoom meetings now. Okay, now then.
Can you see him?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'll give you another minute to do them, and then I'm gonna, if you're stuck on one of them, I'll just do it for you, and then we'll move on.
Mm-hmm.
Just let me know.
Yeah, I'm done.
You're done? Did you get all the answers?
Yep.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you guys another question. Where is it? Okay. So you're going to get a question like this, where it's like,
Is it for multiplication?
yes. So the first step is we look at everything outside of the brackets. What's outside of the brackets? The 4, right? So first thing we're going to do is, this is multiplying, so we're going to divide.
The answer is 1.
I actually don't know what the answer is. We're going to find out.
But I
3.
think it's 1.
You think it's 1? Okay, let's write that down.
Wait, why did you do the 4%?
A divide. That's a divide.
Oh, okay.
So you're going to divide by 4. And that gives you 3, right?
Mm.
And then we're going to write this out. Is there anything else outside of the brackets?
No.
No. So now we're going to go inside the brackets. So same rules, even inside the brackets, it goes okay, so do we have subtraction or addition inside the brackets?
Yes, you have subtraction.
Yep.
We do subtraction first.
Yeah, and we're going to do the opposite, which is addition. So 6.
Divided by 6.
Now we have multiplication. So we're going to divide by 6 on this side. X is equal to 1.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Good job. You're really good at this, Irish. You really picked up on how to do these. Good job. Okay. I'm gonna show you. So that's how you would do. Did that make a sense, Azaria?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is one type of multi-step question, right? So this is type 1, the one that we just solved. There's a type 2, which is a little bit more complicated. So this is just really, this is like the questions we have been doing, just adding another like number into the process. We have another step, type 2, where now you're gonna have your X on both sides. So something like this. Do you see how we have X's on both sides? Do you guys see that?
Mhm.
Yeah.
So this is how we do this. Number 1, so the first goal is to get all the X's on the same side. So what we're gonna do is, whichever X number is smaller, we're gonna move that one.
7.
So
And then
7 smaller than 8, right?
Yeah, so then we put that beside the 8, and we're going to put the 2 minus 2 beside the 9.
Yes. So what's the opposite of addition?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. So we're gonna subtract 7 on this side. 7x.
But why would we subtract? Won't we divide because the 7 is multiplication?
But we're moving the entire thing.
Oh, well, then what is a 9?
I'll show you. So remember, we're trying to get x all on the same side. So you're gonna move this entire thing over here.
Including the addition?
Yes. So this entire, so 7x. So what's the opposite of addition? Subtraction, right?
Yeah.
So we have to do subtraction to get it onto the other side.
Yeah.
So that would be, what's 8 minus 7?
1.
So we have 1x minus 2 is equal to 9.
Yeah.
Now it's back like our old questions where we want to get x by itself. So so is there any addition or subtraction?
Mhm.
There's subtraction. What's the opposite of subtraction?
11 is the answer.
Exactly. And then you have not plus 11. So then you have x is equal to 11.
Yeah.
X is by itself, so we can square our answer. Does that make sense?
Kind of. Could we do a few more?
Yes, for sure. Did that make sense, Azaria?
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry, I'll do a couple more examples. So that's this. So we have the first type, which is like this, where there's just one x value, and the second type, where there's a bunch of x's. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do this. Oh. So we have p minus 1 is equal to, actually, no. We're gonna do this one. A plus 5 is equal to negative 5. Actually, no, just 5a. 5a plus 5. Okay, remember, first goal, get your x's basically
There's no
on
x's
the
here.
same side.
There's only one a. Like there's
Yeah.
one x.
Yeah, there's two a's, right? So then we're just gonna say a's. X, it basically just means, so like letter, get all the letters on the same side. So we have two a's, right?
1.
5a and then a over here.
1 is the answer.
One, oh, you're telling me the answer, okay.
No, not the answer to the whole thing. Like right now, 1. It's gonna be 1 in the after like the easier equation. It's gonna be 1, like 1 equals the plus 5.
Yes.
Because
So-
5 divided by 5 equals 1.
Hold up. First rule, we gotta move this a and this 8 onto the same side of the equal equation. Which
So
one's smaller?
They're both the same.
No, this is 5a, this is 1a.
Yeah, oh, okay. So the left one would be smaller.
Smaller. Is it adding or subtracting?
Adding. Yeah, adding.
So we're gonna do the opposite, which is
Which is
the opposite of adding.
subtract.
So we're gonna subtract 1a on this side.
That equals 4.
Yes. So we have 5 equal to 4, positive or negative?
A positive.
4a plus 5. And now we're gonna get a by itself. So do we have any addition or subtraction? On
The
this
answer is
side?
0.
Yes. We're gonna subtract 5 from both sides. So that's 0 is equal to 4.
No. Never mind.
Divide. No, ask your question. It's okay.
Wait, no, I thought something else.
0 divided by 4 is still 0. So 0 is equal to 8.
Yeah.
Is it making more sense the more we do it?
Yeah. Kind
Okay.
of more. Could we do one last one?
Yeah, no, we'll do like 2-3 more. Don't worry. I want to make sure you fully grasp it before I give you guys questions to do. All right. Okay. Remember step number 1, get your letters on the same side. So we have one letter here, right? Are they?
1.
So what we're gonna do is subtract. So we have one letter here, one M, we have 4 M's here, 4 M's here. We want to
So-
get them to the same side.
4 divided by 4 equals 1.
Hold up. We're gonna, no, you're rushing again. So first step, to move them to the other side, we have to do the opposite of what the entire thing is doing. Remember?
Yeah, so that's multiplication, so we divide.
Hold up. It's 4 times n, but the entire thing is subtracting.
Take him with you. Mommy's upstairs on the deck. Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we have to move the entire thing. We don't divide right now. We have to first add or subtract the m's. Over here it's positive. What's the opposite of a positive number?
So we have to subtract.
We gotta subtract. We subtract 4m from both sides. What's 4 minus 4?
0.
0.
We have 0. M.
Negative 4.
Exactly.
I mean, no, not negative 4. Positive 4.
One sec.
Because if we're doing the opposite, we have to add.
Mm-hmm. Actually, no, negative 4 is the answer, is equal to m.
Wait, I'm just confused now.
Because remember, this is by itself, so we don't need to move it.
I'm still very confused.
Okay, I'll explain. Here.
Either the answer is 0 or it's something else.
Okay. So you have 4m, right?
Yeah.
So to get it over here, we got to subtract it because it's a positive number. Subtract 4m. So you have negative 4 is equal to 0, because 4 minus 4 is 0, m. When 0 multiplies with a number, what does it give you?
0.
0. So m is basically just a number that we don't know, right?
Yeah.
That we're solving for. But if it's multiplied by 0, then there's no point of this number, right?
Yeah.
So then we say it's no, there's no answer.
So then we don't do the opposite.
No, we just say there's no answer because if you have 0 being multiplied by your letter,
Yeah.
your letter has no purpose.
So no value, right?
It has no value, basically.
Okay. I
So
see.
there's no solution. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't worry, we'll do a couple more questions. Let's do this one. Just one sec, let me take a sip of water real quick.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Okay. First step is to move your letters to the same side. So we
You have
have,
to move the 5 because the 8 is bigger than the 5.
exactly. So are we gonna add it or subtract it?
Add.
Remember, we gotta do the opposite.
Oh yeah, so subtract.
Subtract 5p. You have 14 equal to, what's 8 minus 5?
8 minus 5, 3.
3p plus 4.
3 people. Okay,
Yes.
let's see this.
Are all the letters on one side now? Guys? So are all the p's on one side?
Oh, I was getting the answer.
Oh, you're getting the answer? Okay.
I already have it, but
Okay. But are all the
2.4.
2.4? Let's see. So you have 3p plus 4. All the p's are on the same side, so now we can go back to the algebra we were doing. This is adding. We're going to do the opposite, which is subtract. 14 minus 4 is 10. 10 is equal to 3p, right?
2.4.
3p is multiplying, so you're going to divide it by 3. 10 divided by 3 is going to give you 3.3.
3.3.
Yes. Put it into your
Okay,
calculator.
sorry. 3.1. 3.1. Isn't it 3.1?
10 divided by 3.
10 divided by 3 equals 3. That's the closest, 3.1.
It should be 3.3 because 9 divided by 3 gives you 3.
Yeah, so then there's a 0.1.
It's
Right?
3 repeat. No, it's just 3 repeating.
I'm confused.
Put it into your calculator.
Okay.
Put 10 divided by 3. You could
Okay.
leave your answer as 10 divided by 3. That could be your final answer. This is just if you have a calculator.
Okay, so what should I type in the calculator?
10
10
divided by 3.
divided by 3 equals 3.3.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
And that's your answer.
But like the actual answer could be 2 over 3.
How many?
10 over 3. 10 over 3.
Yes, you could leave it as 10 over 3.
Okay, I see.
Yes. Okay, let's do a couple more
Well, and
questions.
last time I didn't get the video. Like, could you send it to me this time?
Yes, for sure. I'll tell Jake.
Last time I don't have any of the like lesson videos.
You don't have any of the lesson videos? Okay, I will tell Jake because
Okay.
I record all of them. So Jake should have them. I will ask him and I will tell him to send him.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. I have to
Alright.
record them too if you like let me.
Oh, can you? How do I let you record them?
When I press record, I have to
Mhm.
send like a request.
Okay, let me do it. Meeting sendings.
It should be there.
I'm looking. There you go.
Okay, so now I can record.
Yeah, I pressed allow to
Yeah,
record.
it's recording.
Okay, I will do that for you every meeting then.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's do one more example before I give you guys questions. Okay, let's do let's do this question. Actually, yeah. There you go. So remember, the first goal is to put all the letters together. I have one P here and one P there. Which P is smaller? Guys?
It is -2 right now.
It's what?
-2, like for the twos, right? The P to make it, I got -2.
So P plus 4 equals to -9 plus 2P?
No, like just for the moving. Like, you know,
Okay.
if you move the P plus 4 to the 2P.
P, yeah. So you're gonna
So
subtract
two,
P,
just
right?
two, just two.
Yeah.
Positive 2.
You're gonna subtract P, right?
Yeah.
So that gives you 4 is equal to -9 plus, what's 2 minus 1?
2 minus 1, 1.
Yeah. It's 1, right? So you have 1 P. It's because you subtracted this P. So you subtracted this, -1 P, with positive 2 P. So that gives you plus 1 P. Does that make sense? And now what you're gonna do is, what's the so over here, do you see how this is -9?
Yeah.
What's the opposite of it?
Positive 9.
Positive 9. So what's 9 plus 4?
9 plus 4,
Yes.
13.
13 is equal to 1P, which basically just means P by itself. So, is P by itself now?
Yes.
Yes. So now we can circle the answer. P is equal to 13. Did that question make sense?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of. Don't worry, we'll still do a couple more questions. These ones are a little bit harder because you have to move stuff around.
Okay, I'm just gonna get a drink of water, okay?
Okay, no worries. Just let me know when you're back.
Okay.
Azaria, are these making sense to you?
Kind of, but they're hard.
Yeah, they're a lot harder. Don't worry, I'll go over like multiple questions. That's why I'm gonna go through a bunch of them
Okay.
before I give you anything. Don't worry. How's it been though? Like, how's like being in quarantine?
Man, I'm like tired. I just want to leave the house right now. Like, want to walk out the door and leave.
I guess I get what you mean. Yeah, like I'm really tired being at home.
Yeah.
I'm back.
You're back? Okay.
Yeah.
Just one sec. I'm just trying to fix something here. Okay. Let's do another question. Okay, let's see. Let's see what I have here. Do I like any of these questions? Yes, let's do this one. Okay, remember step number 1, moving the smaller x to the bigger x, right? So, which one's bigger? 8x or 7x?
8x.
8x. So what are we going to do with this 7x? Are we going to add it or subtract it? Guys, are we going to add it or subtract it?
You're gonna subtract it.
Okay. You're going to subtract it because it's adding right now. Do you see how it's adding?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to do the opposite, which is subtraction. So minus 7x. What's 8 minus 7?
1.
1, right? So we have 1x minus 2 is equal to negative 9. Now we can go and use BEDMAS. So is there any addition or subtraction?
There's subtraction.
There is subtraction. What is the opposite of subtraction?
Addition.
Addition. So I'm going to add 2. So you have 1x is equal to, what's negative 9 plus 2?
11.
Negative 9, Zaria.
Negative 7.
Negative 7. It's going to go down, right?
Oh.
So you have 1x is equal to negative 7. That basically just means x is equal to negative 7. And then that's your final answer. Did that make sense?
Yep.
Okay. How about I give you guys a try with one question, and if you get stuck, we'll go over some more. Okay?
Okay.
Let's see what question I want to give. Okay. Oh. There you go, guys.
I'm still kind of confused.
No worries. Okay, let's, one sec. I worked out yesterday and I messed up my like shoulders and now they're all sore.
Oh no.
Yeah. I forgot to stretch before working out.
Why didn't you stretch then?
I didn't have enough time. Don't do that, guys. Always like stretch. Don't do what I did. And now I'm regretting it because I'm in pain. Okay, guys, remember first rule. So whatever your letter is, what's our letter here? What letter have they given us? Guys?
I got to the part where like I moved the 3 to the 5 and I got 8n.
Okay. Do you see how this number is positive?
Yeah. No, negative, right?
It's positive.
Oh.
This
So
is a
then now
negative.
equal 2.
Yes. So you'd subtract 3n. You get negative 5 is equal to 6 plus 2n. Do you think you can go on from there? Or do you want me to still do the question? Or do you guys want to try solving it from there?
I'm gonna try one time.
Okay. Did you get it, Azaria?
Mhm.
Did you get an answer?
Yeah, I got an answer.
What's your answer?
I got negative 11 over 12.
It should be a negative 11. You mean negative 11 over 2?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Good job. Yay.
Thank you. Like, I was doing my other questions my teacher gave me, like 3 pages. I got them all right. I'm so proud of myself.
I still don't get it, kind of.
Okay, I'll go over it. Azaria, I am so proud of you.
Thank
That
you.
is so good. That is so good.
And I have like this whole like chapter thing too. You have to read 12 chapters and write about them for humanities too.
Oh my god, good luck. If you want,
Yeah.
you can email me whatever you read after and I can proofread it.
Yeah.
Would you like that?
Yeah, because she wants us to like do like just questions. She wants us to like write the questions and
Okay.
do the answers.
If you'd like, I
Yeah.
can proofread your work to make sure your grammar and your sentences are like structurally correct.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how you're going to do the question. So you're going to subtract 3 from both sides, right? Because it's positive, so you subtract 3, right? You have to do the opposite, right? Do you get that part?
You subtract 3 from both of them?
Yeah, because if you subtract 3n from here, do you see how that cancels out?
Yeah.
That's why you do it on both sides. But you don't have to show it. You just have to show it on the side you're doing it to. So you're subtracting 3n. Do you get why we're subtracting and not adding?
Because we have to do the opposite.
Because we have to do the opposite, exactly. And that gives us 2n. And then after that, we just bring down whatever's left down. So we have negative 5 is equal to 6 plus 2n. Now we go back to BEDMAS.
How do we pick which one's on the equal side?
How do we pick? Okay, so do you see how we just bring the equal sign down too?
Okay.
So whatever's on this side of the equal sign, we keep. Whatever's on this side of the equal sign, we keep it on that side. We don't change it.
Okay.
We just bring it down. Now we do normal BEDMAS backwards. So
Yeah.
what was the name we came up with? SMAD.
Madam.
SMADab. Yep, SMADab. Totally sounds like a real word. Okay. Now we're gonna look. Is there anything adding or subtracting on this side?
Yes.
What's happening?
Adding.
Adding of 6, right? What's the opposite of that?
Subtracting.
Subtraction. So you're going to subtract 6. So that's 2n. What's negative 5 minus 6?
Negative 5 minus 6.
Yes.
Negative 5 minus 6.
Yes.
I forgot. Wait. Oh, yeah, 11.
Yes. Negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative 11. Now, is this 2 multiplying with n or dividing?
Dividing because it's a multiply.
Exactly. We're going to do the opposite. So we divide this by 2. So your
Yeah.
answer is either negative 11 over 2,
Yeah.
or you could write, so either negative 11 over 2 or negative 5.5.
Okay. Let's see if like you're in a real test, right? And you write negative 5.5. Will you get it wrong?
No, that's still right.
Okay.
So you can either write it in fraction form
Yeah.
or you can put it in decimal form. Both answers are exactly correct.
But if you want to convert it from decimal, fraction form to decimal, do you just divide both of those? 11 divided by 2?
Yes.
But isn't it 6.5 then?
But 6.5 would be, so let's think about it. 6.5 plus 6.5, what does that give you? It gives you 13,
Yeah.
right? Our answer is 11 over 2, right?
Yeah.
6.5 plus 6.5 would be 13 over 2,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
5.5 plus 5.5 would be 11, and then you just put it over 2.
Okay, I see.
Yes. Okay, let me give you guys another question. Does that make more sense on how to do it?
Kinda.
Kind of. I feel like the best way is for me to have you try to do these questions, and then I help you where you get stuck. So you're trying them and you're thinking critically.
I'm still kind of like stuck how to do the first part, kind of.
Okay, so it's always goes, so it's gonna go from, let's see if I had like 4x plus 2 is equal to 3x minus 1.
Wait, so like, could I try this one time?
Yeah, sure, try this.
So like the first step is I got 3 for the first step. For converting the like 1 to the 2, like for the, oh, never mind. Okay, I did the wrong thing, sorry.
Okay, no worries, it's okay.
Actually, I got 7. So then we bring the 2, 3, and the
Wait.
1, 3, and 7.
Did you add 3x?
Yeah,
Is 3x positive or negative right now?
positive. Because
What's the
there's a negative there.
You have to subtract.
Oh yeah, okay, sorry. So that would be a 1, and then you bring the 1x down, the 2, the plus 2, and the equal, and the negative 1.
Exactly.
But you forgot to write the 4 besides the x.
But it's minus 3x, remember?
Also 1. So you have
So
to write
1x.
1.
Yeah. And then what is 1x equal to?
Let me see 1 second. Why don't we do the add 2 first? Because that's
Yes.
addition.
I already got the answer.
Which is?
-3.
Exactly. You both are doing really well. I'm very proud.
Like,
Yes?
like I did the first part plus 2,
Yes.
right? To the minus, so I got negative 1 there.
So let's see. What's the opposite of plus 2?
Minus 2.
We're going to subtract 2, right?
So negative 1.
No,
One,
negative.
one
negative-
divided by 1 equals 1. So the answer is -1.
Wait. What's -1 minus 2?
-1 minus 2?
Yes.
Oh, -1. Okay, I thought it was only 1.
No, -1.
That would be 3.
Positive or negative?
Negative.
Yeah, -3. And then -3 divided by 1.
Equals 3.
X is equal to -3.
Yeah.
And that's our answer.
Okay.
Okay, let's do a couple more questions like this. Okay, there's your question.
Write one thing down.
Mm-hmm.
So like my next, like first write 18
Yes.
on the left side, on like the right left side, and then write
Yes.
minus
Mm-hmm.
9
Yes.
x
Mm-hmm.
equals 1 plus.
Yeah, you don't have to put the plus sign, but yeah, just 1.
Okay.
Okay, and
I
then
got
what?
the answer.
You got the answer? Just hold off,
Yep.
Azaria. I want to see Arush try to do this.
Okay.
Okay, now what do we do, Arush?
1 second, I almost got it.
Okay.
One second.
How's uni, Rubina?
I just finished on Wednesday, actually.
Oh, okay. So you finished all your courses?
Yeah, so I finished all my finals. So technically I'm on summer break right now.
Oh, you lucky.
Yeah, but I don't know if I'm going to take some classes in the summer.
1 sec,
You
almost there.
should.
No worries, Arush. We'll wait for you. Just let me know when you're done. What is Arya?
You should take calc classes. Wouldn't that help though?
Like summer classes?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not behind, so it doesn't really matter.
Okay.
Summer classes is like to catch up if you're behind, so I can take classes and get ahead. But I don't know yet. I'm still deciding. I might
Is
just
it
take.
5.6?
Let's see.
-5.6.
-5.6. Okay, let me see. So this is where you were at, right? So
Yeah, I'm a
this
negative.
is positive 18, right?
Okay, so sorry, I meant to say something else.
Okay. And then you have to minus 18.
1.1. Positive 1.1.
Positive 1.1. Let me see. So that's -17. And you gotta divide by -9. X is equal to, type it into your calculator.
Okay, I got 5.6 negative.
In your calculator,
Yeah,
17 divided by 9.
yeah.
Your answer should be, what did you get, Azaria?
17/9.
17/9, right? That should be 1 point, in decimal form, it should be 1.88.
So negative 17 minus negative 9.
Yes.
Let me try that again.
Okay.
One sec. I got negative 26 now.
Negative 26?
Yeah.
That's really weird. How about we just leave it in fraction form? Because in decimal
Can
form,
I try it one last time?
yes, for sure.
One sec. Never mind. Let's do something else. Let's
Yeah.
try negative 26.
Yeah. No, I don't know why it's doing it. How about we just leave them in fraction form?
Okay.
Okay? Okay. So you got the question right. Let's give you another one. Let's give you one more, and then I can give you guys a series of questions if you get this. Okay. Actually, no, never mind. Erase. Okay, yeah, that's my question.
So this is 2 is negative, right?
Yes.
So then we do addition to the 5.
Yes. No. Okay. So you have 2x, right?
Yeah.
Is it adding or subtracting?
Subtracting.
No, this 2x, the 2x.
Adding.
What's the opposite?
Subtraction.
So we're going to subtract 2x.
Okay.
Yes.
3x.
Yes.
3x plus 34 equals negative 2.
Yes.
Is it 36 over 1?
Let's see.
I'm 36.1. I mean, no, 1, no. Sorry, 4,
Yes.
9.
Okay.
4.1, sorry.
Right? So that's what we get. We're going to divide by 3 now. You should get negative 12.
Let me try doing that on the
Okay.
calculator. One sec.
No worries.
Negative 12.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, let's give you another question before I give you a series of them. I don't want to overwhelm you with questions. Okay. Okay. That's the question I want you to try solving. Azaria, did you get the answer?
Yeah.
You did? Okay. Are you almost done?
Not yet.
Okay. Are you done the first step?
Like, kind of.
Okay. So let me get Azaria, what did you get as an answer?
-5.
Okay, let's see. I don't want to rush. What did you get?
-5.
Yep. Good job. I'm very proud right now.
Thank you.
Because I remember when we were doing them last week, you were struggling a little bit with some questions and you're getting them all right now.
I kind of
Yeah.
still don't get them.
Are you stuck a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, so we got to get the P's on the same side, right?
Yeah.
So, which one's bigger, which one's smaller?
The left one is smaller.
So what are we going to do with that one? We're going to move it, right?
Yeah, add it.
Hold up. Is this a +6 or a -6?
I meant to say subtract it.
Yep, subtract 6p. So you have -12 is equal to, what's 9 minus 6? Guys, 9 minus 6? It's 3p plus 3. Now we go to BEDMAS, but backwards. So we subtract 3, because that's the opposite, because it's adding. We subtract 3, and that gives us -15, 3p. 3 is multiplying with p, so we divide 3. P is then equal to -5. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, let me give you another question. This is actually pretty hard, this like moving them. It's really challenging. I just want you to like see it, kind of understand it.
Okay.
It's kind of difficult right now, but the next time we come back to it, once you've slept on the process, like on how to do it, it makes a lot more sense when you do it the second time.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Oh, wait. Changing the question. I want you guys to try that question.
Could you make the next step, like the 2n at the bottom, then the
Yes.
6 plus equals -5?
Oh, what is it? So
Negative 5 equals 6 plus
2n.
2n. Yeah,
Okay. Now it's like the basic questions we were doing before, right?
yeah.
So 6 is adding. What's the opposite?
Subtracting.
We're going to subtract 6.
So that equals -11.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have to divide by 2.
And n is equal to -11 over 2.
We did a question like this.
Yes.
We did this question, I think.
Yes, we did.
We already did this question before.
Mm-hmm. I just did it again because I wanted to show the process.
Okay. Or you can call this 5.5.
Or 5, exactly. Okay. Okay, try this question.
In this case, the 4 is negative or positive?
The 4 is positive.
Okay, so that means that we have to subtract.
Exactly.
So the cube plus 3 equals 2x plus 1.
There you go. And now solve.
Okay. The answer is 1 positive.
The answer is
Positive 1.
exactly. Good job.
Okay.
You're getting them. Okay. A, B, C. Okay, let's do this question. Is equal to 8x minus 2. Okay, let's try that question.
Okay. Wait, can you write this?
Yes.
Minus 1 negative equals,
Wait, what?
like 1 minus equals,
Just one, not mine, just one.
okay, equals, what's it called again? Yeah, 13
Mm-hmm.
times minus 2.
X, that's X.
Yeah, 13x. So is that 1 negative or positive?
That is positive because the negative sign is with
Okay.
the 5x.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
One second. I got to like 3, then I have to do 3 divided by 13.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the answer.
And that's the answer. Good job. One sec.
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go. Let's give you guys, okay, now that you're getting them, I'm going to give you 2 or 3 questions to do, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Azaria, I want you to do these questions as well. You've been doing the
Okay.
previous, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, these are the questions I want you guys to do. Let me know when you guys are done, or even if you get stuck.
Wait, for the first one, could you write something?
Yeah, for sure. You need me
The
right now.
the 18.
18.
X.
Wait. Do you see how this is negative 6x?
Yeah.
What's the opposite?
Oh, addition then.
Addition. There we go.
So then could you write 30x minus 22 equals 1.
There you go.
So after the 30 divided by 23 or 20, yeah, 30 over 23. 30 divided by 23 is the answer.
You mean 23 divided by 33?
Yeah, sorry.
That's correct. X is equal to 23 over 30. Good job.
Yeah. The next one is could you write, wait, both of the numbers are the same here, so do I like change anything? I forgot what happens
Oh,
if
sorry.
they're the same.
Here you go. Let me change up the question to there.
Okay, thanks. Okay, can you write 1 equals 1x minus 1.
Is it okay? So you're subtracting 7x from the here, right?
Yeah, so that equals 1x.
Yeah. So 1x minus 1.
Yeah.
There you go.
Is the answer 0 for B?
The answer is, wait. What's the opposite of a minus 1?
Negative 1?
Yeah. So you're going to add 1,
Oh,
right?
sorry. Okay. I meant to say 2.
Yes, that's correct. Azaria, are you getting these answers?
Yeah, I got them.
Okay.
Could you write this?
Yes, for
The
sure.
last one, the 2x one?
Yeah.
So first it's going to be like 30 plus 30, 34 equals minus 1 minus a 2x.
Is this 5x positive or negative?
Okay, so yeah, positive. Yeah.
Yes. So what are you going to do? The opposite, which is?
Oh, okay. Add.
Subtract.
Subtract. That's what I did. 2x.
Negative 7 minus 5. What does that give you?
Oh, negative 7.
Yes.
Okay, sorry. I thought it was positive 7.
No worries. It's okay. We're here to learn, right? You're supposed to make mistakes here because then I can
So
teach you how to fix them.
that's negative 2.
Negative 7 minus 5. It should be negative 12.
Okay, negative 12.
Yes.
So is the one negative or positive? Is the one
What-
positive or negative?
The one is positive because it's in front of it's a positive, right?
So now I have to do, it's now, okay, it's 30, 12, negative 12 over 35.
Okay, hold up. So this is positive 1. What's the opposite of positive 1?
Okay.
Negative 1.
3, I mean, 12x over 30, I mean, negative 12 over 33.
Other way around.
Oh, 33 over negative 12.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly. Okay. You're just messing up on the signs, right? Don't worry. You're still getting the answers. You're understanding how to do majority of them. Let's give you a couple more questions to do. I think we're just gonna keep doing these so you understand them really well for both of you. Let's see what question I want to give them. Okay, there are your 3 questions. Azaria and Arusha, I want you guys to do those.
Okay.
Let me know when you're done.
Could you write the 9x thing?
Yes, for sure. So it's gonna, what do you have written down?
I have like minus 8 equals 1 minus 8x.
What's 5 plus 4?
Oh, it's 9. Sorry.
9x. There you go.
Negative 9x, right?
Yes.
And it's a negative 8 on the equal side? Left
Yes.
side? So if you, okay, so it's negative 7 on top of negative 9.
Yes. Wait. Your answer is x is equal to negative 7 over negative 9?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you see this 1? Oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
It's positive, right?
Yeah.
What's the opposite?
So that would be 7.
Negative 8 minus 1.
7.
Negative 9. It goes up, remember?
Wouldn't it go down because that's a positive number?
But then you have to do the opposite to bring it around, right?
Oh, yeah. Okay, sorry.
No, it's okay. You don't need to apologize. So x is equal to 1.
Negative 1, right?
Yes.
I'm kind of stuck on the second one.
Yes. What about it? Do you want me to do it with you?
Sure.
Let's go through it. Okay, remember rule number 1, get all your x values together. So
Okay.
we're gonna, so do you see, is this 4x positive or negative?
Positive.
So what's the opposite of it?
The opposite is subtraction.
Exactly, so we're gonna subtract 4. One sec. Okay, there we go. So then that's 1. What's negative 6 minus 4?
Pardon me?
What's negative 6 minus 4?
What?
Negative 10.
Okay.
Negative 6 minus 4 would be negative 10. And then that's equal to negative 3. Right? Now what we're going to do is this one positive or negative?
Positive.
What's the opposite?
Negative.
So we're going to minus 1.
Yeah.
So that's negative 10x. What's negative 3 minus 1?
Negative 2.
It goes up, remember? Negative.
Oh, yeah. Negative 4.
Yeah. And then you're going to divide by negative 10 to give you x is equal to 4 over 10. Can I simplify this?
Yes.
Which is?
2 over 5 negatives.
Both are negatives. Exactly. Top and bottom. And that's your answer.
Okay.
Okay. Let's try C.
C.
Yeah, it's right here. Oh. Azura, did you get that as your answer?
Wait, could we do C2 together?
Yes. Okay. All right, so that's our question. Step 1, remember, is to get all your x's together. So, is this x positive or negative?
I think it's negative.
No, right now, is it positive or negative? Not what we're going to do to it, but what is it right now?
Positive.
What are we going to have to do to it?
Negative.
Negative. So, negative x. So, we have negative 8 is equal to 7. What's negative 5 minus 1?
Negative 5 minus 1.
Uh-huh.
Negative 6.
Exactly. So, you have negative 6x. Now we just solve for x. Is this 7 positive or negative?
Positive.
What are we going to do to it?
Negative.
-7. What's -8 minus 7?
-1.
No,
I mean,
no, no.
I meant to say negate. Negate. I forgot what it's called again.
Negative?
-15.
Yes, exactly.
Now,
-6x. Now what are we gonna do?
-4.
We're gonna divide it by -6, right?
That's the answer.
X is equal to 4?
No, 15/6 negative.
Yeah. Both are negative. If they're both negative, Irish, that basically just means it just means it's positive.
But we could,
Actually,
but we could simplify them.
Can we though?
Yeah, by 3.
Yes, exactly.
That equals 5, and that equals 2.
And then that's your answer.
X.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, let's do one last question before we have 7 minutes. Let me give you one more question to do. And then we'll end it off there. What do I want to give? Okay. Oh, no, not P.
X.
X.
But there's not a difference, right? Difference.
No, there's not a difference. It means the same thing.
I know.
P, you could have X, you could have A, you could have W. It doesn't matter the letter.
Yeah. Is the minus with the 3x or with the -8?
It's with the -8.
Okay. So could you write 2x minus 14 equals -8? Wait, could you write that?
Yes. What do you want me to write on?
2x minus 14 equals, yeah, that. 6/2.
6/2. Let's see. So plus 14. Oh, I wrote on the wrong side. Plus 14. 2x is equal to -8 plus 14 is 6. Divided by 2. What did you get for x?
6/2.
6/2, which is?
3.
3. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay. Do you want to do one more question or do you want to end class? I'm fine.
I'm okay with anything.
Okay, how about we do one last question because we do have 5 minutes.
Okay.
And then that will be our last question.
Okay.
Okay. There you go.
Okay. Could you write the thing again, like the 2x?
Yeah. Tell me.
7 minus equals 18 minus equals
8.
2x.
Wait.
7.
Okay. It's
7
just the minus.
negative.
The minus is with this.
Okay, then write. Okay, then don't write, and then write equals 18 minus 2x.
What's 2x? Yes. Good job.
Okay.
Yay.
what's 25 over 2?
Let's see. So minus 18. What's 7 minus 18?
Oh, okay, 11.
Yes.
11 over 2.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
Negative 18, remember?
Oh yeah, it's negative.
Over 2x. Divide by negative 2. You get negative 11 over negative 2 is equal to x.
Yeah.
And then that's your answer.
Okay.
Okay. Does that make a little bit more sense now?
Yeah.
That's good. Hopefully that was really helpful.
Yeah.
We will go over this like for 5-10 minutes again the next time we have class, which is probably Thursday.
Okay.
Happy early birthday again.
Thank you.
Have fun on Tuesday. I
Yeah.
hope you get like your
Okay.
favorite cake and you have a great birthday.
Okay.
Be safe, guys, and I'll see you guys
Okay.
next week.
Okay. Yeah. Bye. See you.
Bye.